Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are fine, blessed, happy, and joy. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you guys how I will be doing my rice butter. So I know I've already have one kind rice butter recipe on my channel, but this is totally different from that one with different ingredients somehow. So guys, soak my rice overnight. So here I am putting inside my blender. I'm going to blend it, as you can see. So guys, now I'm done blending. This is how the consistency of my rice is looking like now. So I'm just going to pour everything inside the pot. Then I will add the oils that I'm going to use to boil the rice to get the rice oil. Guys, rice is also good for our hair growth. It helps to promote healthy hair growth. It also help me with shedding, like when I have excess shedding. When I say excess shedding, I mean my hair was really shedding. So when I use rice water, it's really helped me a lot to stop that excess shedding. That is why I love rice so much. It also helps to grow your hair. So I'm going to use almond oil to boil this rice. As you can see, I'm also going to use olive oil as well. This is extra virgin olive oil. Guys, if you want to do this, you can use any lightweight oil that you have. So like grapeseed, so you can use any oil of your choice, guys. It's going to be fine. So I'm just going to add grapeseed oil and olive oil. Olive oil is so good, guys. I love olive oil so much. Like now I'm also going to add my coconut oil. Guys, I recently started using coconut oil on my hair. It's not that I don't like coconut oil. I love coconut oil, but just that I don't have that feeling to use it on my hair. So I just recently start using it on my hair. So coconut oil is also good to keep your hair nourished, moisturized. Also help, it also contribute to hair growth also. So guys, I've already boiled my rice. Now I'm going to add amla butter, not butter. So I'm going to add amla butter and also neen butter. What am I saying? Guys, not butter, powder. Okay, I'm also going to add moringa powder and amla and neen powder. Okay, those ingredients are so good for our hair grow. Like moringa is so good for our health, also our hair in and out of our body. Moringa is so wonderful. Neen is also good. It's also a medicinal. Can use it as to cure fever, malaria, any other thing. Like I remember back then in Nigeria, I used to drink it so bitter. Like we used to call it gogojaro, gogojaro. I love it so much. Okay, so it's also good to contribute to our hair growth. Help to strengthen our hair. It helps to stimulate blood flow to our scalp, which also contribute to our hair growth. So now I'm going to just press out the oil out of the rice and my powder that I add to it. This powder, this butter is going to be so good for our hair, guys. I'm making a little quantity of this because I don't want to make too much, because I have other butter that I have yet to finish. So I don't want to just make it and not using it. So I want to use it. That's why I want to make just little quantity. When it finish, I can make another one. You understand, right? So here is my oil, guys. My amla, moringa, neen, and rice oil. This butter is going to be so beneficial for my hair. My hair is going to love it. Going to keep my hair moisturized, nourished. It's going to help my hair to retain length and also prevent dandruff on my scalp, and also help to stimulate blood flow to my scalp also. So I'm going to add castor oil. Castor oil is so good. I love castor oil so much. Like castor oil is one of my favorite oil. Like castor oil, olive oil, and almond oil. I cannot do without those oil. And I also love grapeseed oil, just because I've not found grapeseed oil only on Amazon. I'm planning to order grapeseed oil because I also love grapeseed oil on my hair. And other oil that I also love so that I can also use, like mustard seed oil, like sesame. I recently started using sesame, which I love so much. It's also good. So now I'm going to add honey. Honey is one thing that I cannot do without on my hair when I'm doing a DIY project, guys. Honey. I always use honey. Like I'm not customer to honey industry. So guys, I'm going to add honey also. Here I'm going to add my cocoa butter. Like cocoa butter is the key when you are trying to make your DIY butter. Cocoa butter, shea butter, any butter that you can lay your hand on, that you know that your hair love. Okay, use the one that your hair love, not use the one that you see people using and your hair did not love it. Use the one that your hair love. You study your hair, you know what your hair love. Use that butter on your hair and your hair is going to thank you. Don't give your hair what your hair did not want to eat. Okay, so I'm also going to add shea butter. I know shea butter and cocoa butter are so popular, and they're also so good for our hair growth. They keep our hair moisturized, they seal in moisture, which is so important. After moisturizing your hair, you need something to seal in moisture. Try cocoa butter or shea butter, they are also good. So this product is also going to be a sealer for me, a moisturizer, a sealer, and also I can also use to do a pre-pose sometime if I like. Now I'm going to add my set of essential oil. Guys, if you are looking for essential oil that is not really that expensive, go on Amazon. Go and check it out on Amazon. You are going to see a lot of set of essential oil that are so affordable, guys. So I'm just going to add everything on my hair. Like my hair smells so amazing with this essential oil, and my scalp feels so good whenever I use it on my hair. So now after mixing everything, I'm just going to keep it in the fridge. So guys, this is some hours later. This is how my butter is looking like. So now everything is solid, so I'm just going to take my hand mixer. I'm going to mix it. I got to my perfect consistency. So this is so good, guys. It's good to grow your hair, moisturize your hair, seal in moisture, and all that good stuff. So guys, if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. You guys make me believe that what I'm doing, you guys are liking it. That's why you always come back to watch me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. Like this video. It's like when I say thumbs up, like, give me like, okay. If you like the video, put like for there. Just press and like. You go like 1, like 2, like 3, like 4. So guys, after mixing everything, this is how my butter is looking like now. It's very thick, guys. Like I have 3 type of consistency butter in this house. Consistency butter, like medium, light, and this one is average light. I have the watery side. The one that I did the other day with rice is kind of watery, that I use for my pre-poo. The other one I use for sealing is very thick, like medium thick, and this one is very thick, like. So guys, this is how it's looking like. I'm just going to transfer it inside my empty jar, so to keep it for further use. Okay, this can stay as long as you can stay because it's so good. There's no water, there's nothing that is going to make it to get spoiled. It can stay as long as it can stay. So guys, this I'm just going to pour everything inside my jug, as you can see me doing right here. There's nothing to be waste. Okay, nothing is going to be waste. So everything is going to enter inside the jar, whether you like them or not. You will enter. Okay, if you like this video, share with your friends, share with your family, share anywhere you can share. Share is allowed. Like is allowed. Comment is allowed. So guys, this is how it's looking like now. As you can see how the consistency looks so thick, and I love it. I love it. So I'm going to use this one to seal in moisture. After using my DIY hair grow water on my hair, I will just use this one to seal in moisture, cover my hair, then call it a day. So guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this extent, I love you so much. If you don't watch to this extent, I still love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.